To understand how to solve a linear simultaneous equations, first we need to know what they are. So consider a pair of linear equations, equations with one or more variables. They form a system. In order to find a solution for the system pair of equations, the value of the variables needs to satisfy both equations. The system is also called simultaneous equations. So I'm gonna give you an example so you can understand better how they look like. The number 2 and 1 is the solution for the top and bottom equation, meaning that is the solution for the whole system. I'm gonna teach you two ways of solving the system. The first way is the substitution method, and the second way is the elimination method. On this first method of the substitution, you will substitute one equation into the other. So I will use the same example in both methods so you can understand better how it works. Basically, you will pick the bottom or top equation and isolate one of the variables. On the first step, it's easier to isolate the x in the bottom equation because it is alone. So basically, you will pass the minus 3y to the other side to isolate the x, resulting in the following equation. In the second step, you will substitute the value of x in the top equation. So the value that you just found, you will substitute on the top equation, resulting in an equation with one variable only. On the top equation, resulting in an equation with one variable only. The third step is very simple. You basically need to solve the equation so you can find the value of y. The fourth step is easy. Knowing that y equals to 3, we just need to substitute this value into the formula that we found in the beginning. So we know that x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. We know the solution for the whole system. Now we're gonna learn the elimination method, the one that you add or subtract the two equations. The first step, you will need to multiply the bottom equation by times minus 3, so you can isolate the value of x. The system will be like this. In the second step, we need to add the two equations found in the system so we can isolate the x values. Isolating the x values, we can find the value of y, that is equals to 3. Now that you have the value of y, the third step is to find the value of x to have the solution of the whole system. So you need to pick the bottom or top equation and substitute the value of y on it.